Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create a website in Google Sites. First, go to sites.google.com. You will land on this Google Sites page. Here, as you see, I already have a recent created site. And to create a new site, you can use one. You can either start using a blank site like this. But if you're a beginner, I recommend you to go or to start with a template to make things easier for you. To select a template, here this is or these are 5 templates that you can start with. And to check all the Google site templates, click on Template Gallery. And just like that, you will see all the available templates. As you see here, these two are personal templates. Those are those are work templates. For example, an event, to create an event website, a help center website, a project, a theme one. And to create, for example, there are also a small businesses templates. For example, to create a dog website, a restaurant website, a wedding website. And at the end, there are education templates like a professor website to create a classroom website or a student portfolio. For this video, I will go with a restaurant template. So click on the template like that. And your site will start using this template. Now let's start with a quick workaround. As you see, for example, to edit the website name, simply click here. For example, let's call it NYC Pizza, for example. To add your logo, simply hover over your website name and click on Add Logo. And of course, you can upload your logo from your computer by hitting this upload button. You can also check the other pages. For example, let's check this menu page. Click on it and you will land on the menu page. Anything you want to edit, just double click it and you can edit it. Same thing for the photos. You can edit them by double clicking it, or by hitting first, select the photo, click on these 3 dots and click on, just hover over replace image, and you can either select one already uploaded to Google Drive or upload it from your computer. Now let's go back to the home page. If you want to undo an action, for example, NYC, you misspelled something, just click on this return icon and you can undo your last action. Now let's see how to check or how to create a new page. Simply jump to the Pages tab, and here you will see your current website pages, and you can create a new page from here. Just hover over this plus icon, and you can either create a new section, a new menu section, full page embed, a new link, or a new page. Let's click on new page. Let's give it a name, for example, new page. You can either customize this new page link. For example, let's call it, for example, new page 2026. Click on that and your new page is created and automatically added to the navigation menu. Now to add an element here in your new page or any page of your new website, simply go to the Insert tab from here. And you can click on this content block. For example, let's create this image gallery, and just like that, it was added for you. Now click on this plus icon to upload a photo. You can also add a YouTube video, a calendar, or a map. Let's add a map. Let's look for my NYC pizza business. Click on select, and just like that your location is added. And of course you can delete any element that you don't need, like that, and resize the ones you want. Okay, now let's see how to add different elements. Same thing from the insert page. Just just scroll down to this list, and as you see, you can add an image carousel, a button, a divider like this line. You can add a spacer like this type of spacer. You can add social links, placeholder, a YouTube video, a calendar, a map like this element, slides, sheets, Google Forms, or Google Charts. Now let's start with the simplest one, which is an image carousel. Click on it. This new page, this new window open up. Click on this plus icon, upload image. Let's upload those two images or three images. Click on insert, and just like that your new image carousel is added for you, and you can resize it using those dots. You can place it, you can center it like that. And now to publish this new page, just or your whole website, just click on this publish button, and then for your website it will use this name, and click on publish. Your site has been published successfully. Let's view it. And this is my new page with the slider I've just created. Let's check the home page, and this is the home page. Of course, you can add your phone number, email, and address in this footer part. Now that you know how to edit your and create a new pages and edit your website, let's check the settings area. From this settings, the first thing you can edit is the navigation mode. For example, you want the navigation on the top or on the side, like this, like it's called a hamburger style, I think. For the head navigation, you can make it transparent or black like this, or white. Let's keep it transparent. For also, you can edit your site, your brand images like the favicon, this little icon, or the logo, your website logo from here. Viewers tools, custom domains. From here you can connect your domain, for example nycpizza.com, instead of using this long website link. You can connect your domain from here. You can also add your Google Analytics tracking to connect this website to Google Analytics. And you can also add an announcement bar on the top of your website. Let's show this banner. Get free shipping on 50 dollars orders. For example, label button, link, open in a new tab, all pages. Okay, close and publish. Got it. This is the second time you want to publish something, you will see the current published. You can see the current state and the new changes. Now let's refresh my website. Where is the as you see, this is my new announcement bar, and the navigation is on the side, not on the top. Let's check the home page. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video and audio, etc. Also how to create forms, maps and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons, and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking, and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors, and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger website builder, and Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. And this is how to create a website in Google Sites. Of course, this is not a well-detailed tutorial because I'm planning on creating other specific tutorials for each detail of that you may need while creating your website. So that was all for this video. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.